Let's go ahead and take a look at a preferred room here at Disney's Pop Century Resort. Alright, as we enter the room, you can see there's a Jaden. Doesn't come in every room. Say hi, Jaden. There is the table bed, really cute, and they have added a nice little, I don't know what this would mean. It's supposed to look like a rug, but it's actually not a rug. It's actually painted onto the floor. Adds a nice little pop of color. There is the queen size bed. We'll look at that in a minute. Swinging over to our left, there is a cool little storage area here. You've got a beverage cooler, not a full size or a real refrigerator. A little drawer. Don't mind my mess here. There is your thermostat. Coffee maker. Nice machine. All of your coffee stuff and more storage. Coming over here, our smart TV, large credenza here. You got lots of storage, lots of counter space, lots of charging ports. Extra pillow and blanket. And 3 good sized drawers. Connecting room. Got hooks coming into the bathroom. Got some wardrobe space here. More storage right there. Good size vanity. Well lit mirror too. Hi. And then here is the shower and toilet room. That door completely closes with a nice size mirror. And then the bathroom will close off too. On either side of the bed, there is more than enough charging on either side. Thank you, Vanna. There's storage inside those cubbies. I love the little artwork with Mickey on it. And I also noticed there's a nice pop of color here with this light blue. Really, really cool. There's also plenty of storage underneath the bed for luggage. And now we'll go ahead and show you what the bed looks like when it's pulled down. There we go. Some cool artwork there with Pluto. And here's what the room looks like with those beds down. You can move these chairs over here or by the connecting door if you're not using that to add a little bit more room. Very soft. That's good to know. Go ahead and put it back up. Well, that's going to do it for a room tour of a preferred room here at Pop Century. Have you stayed at this hotel? Which room type do you prefer? Do you like being closer to the amenities, or do you like a little bit of a walk to be kind of away from some of the noise? Let me know in the comments below. Until next time, remember to find joy in every moment, and we're going to see you real soon. Bye, friends.
Goodbye now. Goodbye. Goodbye. Thank you. Goodbye. Goodbye now. Goodbye. Goodbye. Thank you. Goodbye. Goodbye now. Goodbye. Goodbye. Thank you. Goodbye. Goodbye now. Goodbye. Goodbye. Thank you. Goodbye.